What can you do?
I can speak English.
What can he do?
He can watch a movies.
What can she do?
She can watch volleyball.
Are you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can she wash the clothes?
Yes, she can wash a cloth.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can he speak Urdu?
Yes, he can speak Urdu.
Can he write a letter?
Yes, he can write a letter.
Can she write a letter?
Yes, she can write a letter.
Can you play piano?
Yes, I can play a piano.
Can she watch a movies?
Yes, she can play a piano.
Can you type?
Yes, I can type.
That's my today video. When you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks you.